Okay, so, I'm just sitting here on my computer, and my stepdad is snoring so loud, and it's just so funny, so I'm gonna get you guys to check it out, because it's just the funniest thing in the world. Okay, listen. Okay, so yeah, that was like, I think it's the funniest thing that I've ever heard in my life. Yeah, so that's about it. I just thought it was really funny, so I just had to record it.